The bit inspection is done every 90 days with vehicles coming in out of state having to have it done in 17. The items that are looked at are tires, wheels, brakes, battery, chassis, and safety equipment. Some of the most common failures that are found in the bit inspection are brakes out of adjustment, oil leaks, air leaks from the air system, missing safety equipment, worn tires. Those are some of the most common ones that are found. The typical turnaround time is about 45 minutes for the tech to do, about an hour total with the truck being written up and everything. So the regulation for the bit inspections for 2025 is vehicles over 2601 pounds. They have to be inspected every 90 days. At all California truck centers, we offer a free bit inspection. This can be done just coming in off the road. It can also be done with an oil change. Again, the bit inspection is free.